Alright, so today we're going to take a look at these new ratchet straps that I got from Vevor. Okay, it comes with the extra straps if you need a little extension to hook onto things. But this is a 4-pack. And it comes with a handy dandy bag to put it into. But let me show you what these look like. These are a little bit different than your traditional straps. Yeah, it's all in one piece. My old traditional one, it's in two pieces, so it has this ratchet side and then the separate strap side, and it has hooks. But this, you can see, it's all in one piece, and that's going to be nice and neat. Let's give it a shot. All right, it's got this little I don't know what you would call this, little safety thing. Hooks on real nice, so once it's in, it won't fall off. See, if you have the traditional ones like this, you put it in, and then if you let go, sometimes it'll fall off like that, so while you're trying to strap the other side. But this will stay nice and secure. Okay, so let's put that in. It ratchets on like that. Here's the release. And that clicks it on real tight. Press the button down to release it, and you see it's got the recoiling feature, so it doesn't dangle. See that? It won't dangle as much. It's recoiling, and I bet you I could even do this with one hand. Yeah, even with one hand while I'm holding the camera. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I like it. Release there. See, it retracts. It retracts. So it's real nice. It retracts. It's all in one piece. There's no slack, unlike the traditional ones where there's a lot of slack and you have to thread it through this slot, pull it, take out the tension, and then ratchet up. There's 4 of them. Four in a handy pouch. All right, cool. I like it. All right, one more thing. I forgot to demo this. Sometimes you don't have something that you could actually hook onto. There's no hooking ring, but there's a bar or something, in which case you would just use a strap like this, and then you can hook it on. Okay, so if there's just like a crossbar or something, there's nowhere to hook this onto. You use this strap.